Hello YouTubers, Sonic Ox here. Today is Friday, December 1st, 2023. A big win today. Successful use of GPS position hold and altitude hold. So here is the little OX7. I actually have some 6-inch tri-bladed props on there right now. I chewed up all my 7-inch bi-props in crashes during flight testing. So I have some more 7-inchers on order, but these 6-inchers are working just fine right now. So here I've set it up and I'm waiting for GPS lock. It won't let me arm without it. I did have a minor crash yesterday because I lifted off in acro mode and didn't realize it. I've been flying in angle mode during the testing. So when I tried to correct, not knowing I was in acro mode, of course it flipped over and crashed, and that's what chewed up the last set of my 7-inch bi-blades. But anyway, I waited till I had about 10 satellites, and then took off, and it takes about a minute to get 10 satellites locked on lately. But then once I'm airborne, I shoot to over 20 almost immediately. So sorry you can't see the quad in frame right now. There will be a little bit of dead spots in the video while I'm trying to fly the quad and get the position hold locked. Then once it is locked, I can go over and make sure the side camera is capturing it. But it was really exciting today. I took my time. I got it, maybe 20 feet off the ground and made sure everything was stable, and then flipped to altitude hold mode, and it rose a little bit, but held the altitude, and I was able to adjust altitude and position while the altitude hold was on, so that was encouraging. And then since that worked, I took a deep breath and switched over to position hold, GPS position hold, and it's doing a really good job. It's holding it really steady. So there, I'm not even touching the sticks, and I walked over to adjust the camera. I'm not doing a real good job of it, but it held that position really quite well. Not much of a breeze or anything today, which is nice. It's sunny and kind of warm for this time of year. No wind. Sorry about that going in and out of the shot. It doesn't hold it perfectly still, but it does a fine job. There I am, all proud, showing that it'll hold its position without touching the controller. So I tried to get the camera to lock on it, but it's in and out of the shot, and then it's going to go to a brief period where I'm landing the quad in position hold mode, which is cool. You might be able to hear it in the background of this video. I'm trying to capture both the side cam audio and this voiceover. So sorry the quad's in and out of the shot. There, I'm doing some yaw. The throttle is still really sensitive, so when I yaw, I have trouble keeping it at the exact same altitude. So even in position hold mode, you know, the throttle is still it still responds to throttle input, though not as sensitive, obviously, when you're in position hold. So there I've landed and disarmed. So I walk back over to the camera and just try to put the final shot of the quad. Yeah, you can see the blue and white 6-inch tri-blade props. I did get a little bit of flight footage from the FireFly. Not much. I don't even think a full minute, but here's the flight footage. This FireFly camera is the one with the bad battery, so I don't get much life out of it, but I should get a new battery tomorrow. The Vivitar camera wasn't working, and I actually think there's something wrong with it, so it'll be this FireFly footage going forward. And oh, look at that, the timestamp is completely wrong, the time and date stamp. That's because it goes on and off battery. I think I'll just remove that anyway. You don't need to see that. But yeah, here it is. I got, like I say, not very much flight footage, but I think it's going to be pretty decent footage when I get a fresh battery. So anyway, that's it for me. Big win today, and I really appreciate the advice from Elecifun and the other viewers. It worked out really well in the configuration, so hope you're all doing well. Ox out. See you on the next one.